So today, I'm trying out 2 new animal games. It's parched. You're gonna tell me which one you like though, but I like the black kitty. Touch your kitten to make him, okay? Huh? Okay, this is cute. Come on. Knock it over. High five. Okay, you're hungry. How do I feed you? This little buddy is hungry. Okay. Oh. What? Yay! I gave him food already. Ew. I love this game. Use a ball of wool to play with him. He'll be really happy. Huh? Hey, jerk. No, I don't have Facebook. I can't play with you, little buddy. But I can give you a bat. Shopey, 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 shop. Oh, it's really shopey, 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 shop, 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 shop. Yeah, you mummy, yow. Water that down. He's so dirty since he's been outside all day. Not. It's so bad. I don't have any wool. See, I don't have any. Your stock of ball. The stock of ball of wool is empty. Let's buy some. Okay. Oh! I'm so stupid. I didn't see that. Oh, okay. I'm gonna buy him some more. Ooh, I would. Is that poop? Huh? Huh? Okay. Okay, I'm done. There's poop on those bags and I don't like the look of it. Hey buddy, come here. Give him. No. Don't. Oh my god, I smacked him. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, now let's play. Yeah! Woo! Yes. I ran out of all the balls I have. Okay, I'm done. I'm getting too interested in it, but I'm keeping that app. Go in there. Okay, Animal Hospital. I'm gonna die laughing. Till hola. Creepy. Ew. Ew, ew. Welcome to the animal hospital. First, gather the elephant by rotating the world and tapping it. Huh? Huh? And here comes your first patient. Tap the elephant to select them. Swipe to move the second floor. Great, you found the room. Now tap the highlighted door to... Another tip, if the room is occupied later, you can also send animals to a chair. Oh, it feels... This game is crazy. You'll see the patient's complaint on the clipboard. It needs a back scratch. A back scratch. Complaints on the clipboard. Oh. Ew! Good job. Okay. Great. Leave the room by tapping the flashing door. Oh. Ha! I'm so dumb. Congratulations, your first patient is healthy again. And is leaving your hospital. Okay. And... Give me. Bye. How do I leave? Finally, time to go home. Tap the end day. You've already... Huh? Huh? Okay. You've already got a new patient waiting for your help. But you know what you're doing now. Let's go. Of course I know what I'm doing because you... It's an elephant that I need to help again. I want something different. Oh. Ooh, ew. Ew. Wait, hold on. I need to X this. I hate this game. I want to leave. I like the doll and bye-bye.